Here's Minichat app video chat texting. So what is that? It's a simple text and video chat app for online socializing, meeting new people and making friends. With Minichat, a new social network with integrated text chat and random video calls, meeting new people and staying in touch with friends becomes as easy as never before. In Minichat, you can create and share your profile, upload stunning selfies and attract new followers, find people by gender, age, country, city, and name, become friends with people who followed you, send text messages to anyone you like, talk to random people in the video chat, browse hundreds of new photos daily. If you're looking for a simple way to meet attractive strangers, find a companion, Minichat is for you. You can create your profile and begin exploring the community of 100,000 plus Minichat users. You'll get all the best of text messaging, video chat, and social networking in just one app. So here it is. You can just open it up, and then here is the account in here. So you can see that's how it looks like. You can tap search to search profiles in here. So you can select some filters. This is free. You don't need to upgrade for that. Then there is like a random chat, which you can just use to start random chat. You can select country and like your gender. You can see all the settings. There's also safe mode in here. And then there are messages, and then there is like new photos from people around, which you can then just message. And that's what you have in here. That's the idea, what you have in here, how you can then just go and have it. So that's basically what it is. That's how the app looks like and how you can get on it and start using it. This is kind of like a super easy app to use, and this is quite reliable app which you can start using. So yeah, kind of nice. So that's what it is. So again, you can just go and download it here, Minichat, video chat, and texting.